Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving a quadratic equation that's going to have imaginary solutions. So, first, recall that when we have the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the solutions to this equation are x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, if we use a quadratic equation, 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. I can plug this into the quadratic formula with my values for a, b, and c. Get x equals negative b, so b is negative 2, so that's going to be a positive 2, plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 4, and then all of that divided by 2, and then our a is 3. So, doing some simplifying here, so that's 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 48 divided by 6. 4 minus 48 is 44. And we can simplify the square root of 44. Or sorry, that's negative 44. We can simplify that to I square root of 44. And then simplify it further to 2i square root of 11 over 6. We can now factor a 2 out of the numerator. So we have 2 times 1 plus I square root of 11 over 6. And then a factor of 2 is going to cancel out, leaving me with a 3 in the denominator. And I forgot to put that as plus or minus there. So it's going to be 1 plus or minus I square root of 11 over 3, which my math lab is going to insist on you writing as 1/3 plus or minus square root of 11 over 3, and then they go ahead in the textbook and put the I in front of that, like that. So 1/3 plus or minus I times the square root of 11 over 3. And that is how we can solve a quadratic equation with non-real solutions. That's going to do it for today's lectures. For tomorrow's lectures, we're really going to get into detail about quadratic functions.